applications of Doppler effect now. Today I discuss, for example, this is the source now, this is the observer. Okay, look here. Here observer is at rest. Observer at rest means velocity of the observer becomes 0. Here source moving towards the observer. That means here source approaches the observer. That means source approaches the observer. That means approaches. This is called n dash. N dash equal to apparent frequency equal to n into. This is the general formula V V0 V Vs. According to general formula, here observer at rest. Observer at rest means V0 becomes 0. This is right as V by V Vs. Because here V0 becomes 0 according to question. Observer at rest. Observer at rest. Here observer source approaches the observer means observer listen maximum sound. Here it becomes maximum, it will be low. Okay, this is the condition for approaches the source in the observer. Okay, next here this is the source source moving away from the observer. Here this is denoted by n double dash. This is called receding. Receding means in the chapter away. N double dash equal to n into, look here V, okay, by V, okay. Here source is moving away from the observer. Away from the observer means observer listen less sound. Less sound means here V plus Vs. V plus Vs. Okay. Here this is the approaches. This is the receding of the source Here find the drop in frequency heard by the observer. Drop in frequency heard by the observer. That means source moves towards the observer. Observer listen more sound. Here source moves away from the observer. Observer listen less sound. That means the difference in frequency can be determined. Here the difference in frequency, that also called as drop off frequency heard by the observer, is n dash minus n double dash. N dash formula n into V by V minus Vs. Okay, n double dash formula n into V by V plus Vs. In the mathematics, same terms are common. N common, V common. Here 1 by, look here V minus Vs. Here minus 1 by V plus Vs. Look here Here common term is NV. Here LCM is, look here V minus Vs into V plus Vs. Okay. Here LCM neatly calculate V plus Vs minus here V minus Vs. Okay. Here V cancel Here neatly write as NV. Vs minus of minus plus Vs Vs plus Vs 2Vs by here A minus B into A plus B that means A square minus B square. That means V square minus Vs square. This is drop in frequency heard by the observer. Drop in frequency heard by the observer. What is the final equation? Drop in frequency heard by the observer equal to 2n V Vs by, okay, V square minus Vs square. This is the formula for drop in frequency heard by the observer. Okay. Here suppose generally velocity of sound value is 330 meter per second in air. Okay, Vs generally 5 meter per second or 10 meter per second. Compared to 330, 5 meter per second, 10 meter per second is very less. So that's why here Vs is neglect. Nana. Here Nana, compared to this will be neglect. Idana multiplication epudu cannot be neglect. Here 2n v Vs by here v compare this v square neglect. V square తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే Vs square neglect నన్ను. సో దట్స్ వై ఎందుకంటే ఇది 330 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్, ఇదేమో 10 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. ఇది స్క్వేర్ కాబట్టి V square is very large compared to Vs. So that's why here Vs is neglect. Here 1v cancel nana. Approximately nana, here this will be removed, so it write approximately 2n Vs by V. This is the final formula. Drop in frequency heard by the observer. Drop in frequency heard by the observer or the difference in maximum frequency and minimum frequency. What is the formula? 2n Vs by V. A small note I given nana. Look here. This is the source nana. Here source moving in circular path nana. Look here, source moving in circular path. This is the observer nana. Here observer is at rest. Yesterday nana, observer placed at the center of the circle. Today I placed observer is away out of the center of circle. Out of the circle nana. Here observer at rest nana. But the source moving in this direction nana. Here I take three situations nana. Look here, I take three situations. One situation is A, other situation is B, other situation is C. According to direction of source, here this is the line of sight nana. Source also tangent gives its direction of velocity nana. According to this diagram, source moving towards the observer. Yesterday I give formula for apparent frequency n into V by V minus Vs. Okay, completed nana. At a point B nana, here at a point B nana, here both are perpendicular nana. That means here Vs is here nana. According to Vs, line of sight ki ela undi perpendicular. Before yesterday I discussed nana, source or observer move perpendicular to line of sight. There is no Doppler effect. That means apparent frequency equal to actual frequency at B. At A nana, ఇదేంటి అంటే at B. At B దగ్గర ఏంటి సార్ అంటే this tangent gives the direction of velocity nana. This is the line of sight between source and observer. Here source moves perpendicular to line of sight, so there is no Doppler effect. That means apparent frequency equal to actual frequency of the sound. Okay, at C nana, at C ane point nana, here it move. This is the tangent nana, this is Vs nana, velocity of source. Look here, according to this line of sight, source moving away nana. Away means this is the formula nana, n triple dash equal to n into V by V plus Vs. Just previous concept also same nana at A and at C nana. Find here the difference between maximum frequency and minimum frequency. This is maximum nana because in this case source moves towards the observer. Observer listen maximum sound. At C, source moving away from the observer. Observer listen less sound. That means at C minimum frequency, at A maximum frequency. Here also that find the difference between maximum frequency minus minimum frequency. Here substitute, finally we get approximately 2n Vs by V. Here n indicate original frequency. That means original frequency nana. Here Vs indicate velocity of source nana. V indicate velocity of sound nana. Once again I repeat. N indicate original frequency of sound. Vs indicate velocity of source. V indicate velocity of the sound nana. Okay. These two situations are same. In these two situations, in the first case, source moving towards the observer. In the second case, source moving away from the observer. Find the drop in frequency here at the observer. ORR, find the difference between maximum frequency and minimum frequency. In the next concept, Nana, this is here source is move. Next situation, source at rest, observer is moving. Look here, Nana. Next case, Nana. Next situation. This is source, Nana. Source at rest. That means Vs becomes 0, Nana. Look here. Here in this situation, look here, Nana. Observer. Observer moving towards the source, Nana. Towards the source. Apparent frequency. That means here observer approach the source, Nana. N into general formula V naught V Vs. But here in the situation or in the question, here source is at rest, Nana. Source at rest means, Nana, Vs becomes 0, Nana. Okay. Here, Nana, look here, N dash equal to N into V naught by V. Okay. But here observer approach the source, observer listen maximum sound. Listen maximum sound means here right plus. Okay. Next, Nana, observer away from the source, Nana. Away means in the chapter receding, Nana. Receding. This frequency is denoted by N double dash N into, it neatly write as V naught by V. Here, observer away from the source, observer listen less sound, Nana. That means it write as minus, Nana. Okay. This is the approaching, Nana. This is away, Nana. Approaching means he listen maximum sound. Receding means he listen less sound. Observer listen less sound. Here also to determine drop in frequency heard by the observer ORR, difference between maximum frequency and minimum frequency. Difference between maximum frequency and minimum frequency. Okay. Here, Nana, maximum frequency is N into V plus V naught by V, Nana. Minimum frequency is N into V minus V naught by V. In the right side, N common, V common, Nana. Look here, V plus V naught minus V. Minus of minus plus V naught, Nana. V cancel, Nana. V naught plus V naught, Nana. 2V naught, Nana. 2V naught, 2N V naught by V. This is the formula for difference between maximum frequency and minimum frequency. In the previous case, observer at rest, source approach or source away. That formula we know that 2N Vs by V. Okay. This formula is applicable here. Source is in motion, source is in motion, observer at rest. Here observer in motion, source at rest. In this situation observer moves approach and observer moves away. This formula is applicable. Okay. These are two most important formulas, Nana. I discuss another more formula also, Nana. Look here.